Here's how to make money with Canva on Fiverr, and you could start as early as today. Let's get right into this video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. In today's video guys, we're going to talk about how to make money using both Canva and Fiverr. I'm even going to create something on Canva to show you how easy it is, and then you'll have a pretty good idea of how to go about using both Canva and Fiverr to make money online. If we go on fiverr.com and we type in, let's say, Canva, and we'll see what are people offering and buying on here inside of Fiverr, you will see that there are a lot of different gigs around Fiverr that are being sold, and people are selling anything from Instagram posts to flyers, templates, social media posts. You have like banners, flyer poster banners, ebook covers, so all kinds of different things that you would expect to see people creating inside of Canva, and clearly there is a demand for them on Fiverr. If we open one or two of those gigs, and I have two open up here, you will see that this person here, she has I will design anything in Canva, and if we look at some of the things that she's designed, you will see that a lot of those things are not as hard as you might think they are. It does require a little bit of practice, but it is quite fairly easy to create a lot of those types of designs inside of Canva. She has 3 basic packages, one basic package and 2 other packages, a standard and a premium. Her basic package is $30. She will design an Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn post for $30. For $50, she will also design a brochure or flyer. And then you got like the premium package, $80, will include a presentation or ebook plus 5 social media posts. So as you can see, she has 279 positive reviews, most of them clearly 5-star reviews, 3 orders in the queue. So let's say like 1 in 5 people gave her a positive review. She most probably got over 1,000 sales promoting this. And she has like 3 orders in the queue right now. Let's just say all 3 orders went for the $30 basic package. That's already like $100 for today. And she's most probably gonna get another 3 or 5 orders by tomorrow. If we check another gig here, this one, I will create Canva Instagram templates for a beautiful feed. She's got like 542 positive reviews, most probably over 2,000 sales already. If you look at some of her templates, they look really nice, very congruent, same color and everything. She has 12 orders in the queue. She's charging $50, $60, and $70. $50 6 post template for 6 post template for only $50. 10 days delivery. I'm sure she can do that a lot faster. She's gonna take 10 days to do this. If we look at some of her positive reviews, you see it's very recent, 1 week ago, 1 month ago, 1 month ago, 1 month ago. So most of her reviews are quite recent, but as you can see, not everybody is giving her a review. So you can assume that she's most probably getting a lot more sales than the number that you're seeing right now. So 1 in 5 or maybe 1 in 10 people only are giving her a review, but she's definitely getting a ton of orders for this particular gig. And this type of gigs, you might think they are hard to create, but they are not. And I'm going to show you in a minute how to create those gigs, how to create those social media template inside of Canva, just for you to get an idea of how you could do the same if you wanted to sell those kind of gigs as well. So if we go inside of Canva and we try to create like an Instagram post, a bit similar to what we just saw, what you want to do is you want to go where it says Instagram post, just click on that. Wait for a new page to open, and basically what you want to do is, what we are going to do is we're going to create an Instagram post template. So there are different niches that you can go for. You can go like for the fitness niche, the cooking niche, the real estate niche. There's ton of different niches out there, but let's just say I want to create an Instagram post template for the fitness niche. Okay, so I already looked it up earlier, and as you can see, those are several templates that you can choose to create your Instagram posts. Some of them will be free. As you can see here, some of them will require you to have a pro membership with Canva. So Canva has a free membership and a pro membership. If you go for the pro membership, you will have access to more templates, more images, and so on. But for the sake of this video, we'll only use like a free template. So let me find a good fitness template. There's one I saw earlier that I wanted to use. Yeah, this one. Let's just use this one. So this is the template I'm going to use to create my own template, because there's so many templates on Canva that you can use. You don't have to start from scratch. You don't have to start with a blank template. You can simply choose one of those templates that are already on there and just change it a little bit and make it more unique. And this is exactly what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create like 2 or 3 templates for this one, and then I'm going to come back to you and show you the results. Okay. So as you can see, guys, I'm done creating those templates, those Instagram templates. It barely took me like 5 minutes to do so. And as you can see, I've created 3 different Instagram templates around the fitness niche. One is like this one, shape your body with us. The second one is get lean in 60 days with a picture of a woman showing her biceps. And the third one is fitness plan tailored for you. So when you create those templates, obviously there has to be some kind of congruency. So the background is the same. There's this red border here. Those ones are the same, but the pictures are different and the titles are different. So usually your client will tell you what kind of picture to include inside of their templates, sometimes what to write. But there's always going to be some kind of congruency that is needed inside of your templates. So as you can see, those templates, I created 3 of them. Those barely took me like 5 minutes to create. So to create 6 or even 10 shouldn't take you more than 15 or 20 minutes. One more thing you could do is you could get into the habit of creating a lot of those templates every single day, even if at first you're not getting a lot of sales off of Fiverr, because it can be hard to get sales off of Fiverr at the beginning. So if you're not, still go into the habit of creating those templates every single day. As I've just showed you, they don't take a lot of time. So if you do get into the habit of creating those templates every single day, you will become very good at creating templates. Plus, you could then resell those. You can sell those templates on a website like Etsy, for example. If you go on Etsy and you type in Instagram template, you will see that there are a lot of people selling Instagram templates, social media templates, and you could basically sell yours as well. You could go and create like 10, 15, 20 templates and then sell them on here. As you can see, there's a ton of people selling their template anywhere for $6 all the way to 10, 20, some even for $150. So really you can pretty much sell a ton of your templates in here as well if you're struggling to get some sales on Fiverr at first. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video, and if you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.